What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 28 in the 5th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. As you can see, I've got some of the answer choices blocked out because the meat of the question is all on the screen already. We see that the height of a boy from age 3 to age 8 is shown on the line graph, and that's, I guess, how much he grew between age 3 and age 8. And we're supposed to figure out how many inches he grew between age 5 and age 8. So to do a question like this and to do it really well, you'll need to know how to read a graph and also how to translate a word problem. So if we're going to go ahead and get started, let's start by looking at these words down here. How many inches did the boy grow between 5 and 8 years of age? So what that tells me, the word grow tells me that I'm going to have to do some addition. Specifically, I know that how tall he was when he was 5 years old, plus the amount that he grew, which we don't know yet. In fact, I'll go ahead and write that as growth, use a word for right now. So how tall he was when he was 5 years old, plus how much he grew, equals how much he grew when he was 8 years old. So I don't have any numbers to plug into this yet, so I'm going to go ahead and come up here to this graph and see what information I can get. So if he's 5 years old, here's the dot that represents how tall he was when he was 5 years old, and I can draw a little line to the left and see what number that goes with. Now this is right between 42 and 44, so I have no problem just saying that this is 43 inches because it's right between 42 and 44. I come up to 8 years old. Here's the dot that shows how tall he was when he was 8, and we come over here and this hits 52 exactly. So when he was 5 years old, he was 43 inches tall. When he was 8 years old, he was 52 inches tall. So now I'm going to take that information, plug it into this word sentence that I have down here, 43 plus, and we don't know how much he grew, but we know that 43 plus how much he grew equals 52, because he was 43 inches at 5 and 52 inches at 8. And now I'm going to break out my fact families and say that if I know that 43 plus something equals 52, then I also know that 52 minus 43 equals that same unknown number. And now that I've narrowed it down to just 52 minus 43, this is a calculator active question, so I have no idea or no problem making my calculator active. 52 minus 43 equals 9. I'm going to check my answer choices for 9 inches, and it's right there, choice B.